The Zambia Environmental Management Agency, ZEMA, is working on developing a national plastic waste inventory to improve decision-making and tracking plastic waste flows. Macpherson Mukuka has the rest in this report.
8 years after Zambia enforced the statutory instrument number 65 of 2018, banning the manufacturing and distribution of plastic bags below 30 microns, plastic pollution remains a visible challenge. Drainages and dump sites continue to bear the burden of discarded plastics, as noted by the Lusaka Integrated Solid Waste Management Company.
The Lusaka Integrated Solid Waste Management Company has mandated all its contracted service providers to promote the recovery of recyclable materials and take the same for recycling.
The Zambia Environmental Management Agency has been leading efforts under the Extended Producer Responsibility Framework, which places accountability on producers to manage the waste they generate.
One major initiative is the Environmentally Sound Plastic Management Project, which ZEMA is implementing with support from the Basel, Rotterdam and Stockholm Convention Secretariat, administered by the United Nations Environment Programme. The project is designed to address the full plastic waste value chain and strengthen capacity on both systems and enforcement.
Despite the enforcement of SI 65, plastics continue to find their way into the environment.
Where plastics remain despite the regulation, ZEMA treats this as evidence that current enforcement and implementation mechanisms need strengthening.
The big challenge now is to increase the rate of waste collection from the communities, especially at the household level. This is because very few people are still subscribing to waste collection. Citizens' environment and social concern argues that regulation alone is not enough.
We would like to see a total ban on single-use plastic bags. We can have a partial or a heavily regulated ban on flat bags. We haven't fully sensitized our people with regards to protecting our environment and also using recyclable materials for shopping purposes and carrying them.
The persistence of plastic waste in the environment calls for urgent need for stronger enforcement and sustainable alternatives such as paper bags. Macpherson Mukuka, ZNBC News, Lusaka.